be like, okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, okay, okay. It will end up being a pyramid or a scam because you cannot guarantee 30% in a month because you will blow up the account and you will use high leverage and you would not even understand what you're doing. So if you want to make money in crypto, you need to have large size for you to trade and make money. Top traders that you know that are making money off forex. Number one secret is they do not use leverage to trade. People who use leverage are people who don't have enough size, like their size is not large enough. This is a secret I'm here to teach any of my students, but I'm giving it out for free for every one of you to listen. So do not be deceived. All those people you see that, oh, they are balling, they are making money, they are not using leverage. And if they are using leverage to trade and they are making it, just know that it's not going to be easy at all. So you have to have a large size. So how can you now get a large size? It's very easy. That's why I love crypto. You invest in assets. You can wait for my recommendation or you can use my knowledge and still invest. Like a student of mine that invested $130 or so got over $2,000 plus in just 3 weeks. You understand? So with that size now, at least he has over ₦1 million. He can start trading, and if he start trading with that, he still have other investment, and he would not be losing much in a day. Because if you're not trading with leverage, small market movement cannot affect your account. But if you're trading with leverage, small move will shake your account. You get the point. So you have to get finance. And if you don't have the finance, you need to find where to borrow. And if you cannot borrow, you need to buy assets. Buy coins, I would tell you to buy. Buy them and give them 2 months, 3 months and sell off and use it and start your trading journey. You understand? I love you. I love you all. Genuinely, I don't know you, but I love you all. I am not here because I want to gain anything. Yes, I will gain if students pay for my class. Yes, it's my work. I will earn. Yes, but at least I'm making you understand this. I'm making you get this. So that is how you can be profitable in trading. Avoid leverage. Use one leverage. Don't even use any leverage. Trade without leverage. But you need to have large size. 1 million, even if you're making 10% of 1 million daily. That's like how much? How much is 10% of 1 million? It's 100,000. Even if you're making 5% daily, that is 50,000. That means you're just waiting for small market move. The whales that you know, whales don't trade with leverage. Why are they called whales? It's because they are the leverage. They have the large size. They are the one making money off you people that do not have large size. That is why you use leverage. People are saying, Forex is a killer, Forex is swift, Forex is it. I look at them, I say, you don't know anything, you're using leverage. Some are even using 50 leverage, they do not know how to even check the leverage they are using. A broker will just give you 100 leverage and boom, you've blown off your account. Because the more account you blow up, that's the more money you make. That's the more money you make. You will ask yourself, why are all these big traders, why don't they use leverage to blow up the markets? No, because they know that with leverage, one move, they can lose 10 to 20% of their size. But without leverage, one move, highest you can lose is 1% of your size. So even if you're trading with ₦1 million, before you know, for as long as you are following what Mr. Cloud is teaching you, you will be rich. If you're following what I'm teaching you, you will be rich. So you need to find way to get finance. So the easiest way you can get finance is, one, to invest in new asset. I will tell you what coins to buy, which I have analyzed, and I'm sure that definitely in a few months' time is going to give you something that you can start your life with. Then you start trading. Trading is not leverage. Leverage is for people who don't have. You want to leverage on another person's money to make money. That way your own little money is now put at risk. I allow you use leverage because you don't have the size. You don't have. But now is the season for investment. Now is the time that coins are blowing up, money everywhere. Follow me. Don't just go and start buying coins. Listen to me. I will not list something to you that will hurt you. I will not recommend something to you that I'm not sure of. Do you understand me? So people should not just tell you to go and buy coin. It's going to go high. I bought it. The price now it's in a bullish. What the fuck is that? Why will you make that silly mistake? Somebody from nowhere calls you and tell you that shit. Go to your chart and analyze and check with what Mr. Cloud told you. Is this correct? Is this right? Then you know what you are doing. Don't just buy coins with feelings. Don't just buy coins because you want to buy coins. You're throwing money that can feed beggars on the street. The money might not touch you, but somebody needs that money. You're blowing off account that can change somebody else's life. If you are not ready to be disciplined, delete all trading apps from your phone. Yes, it is your money, but you need to use it judiciously. You need to understand that this market is controlled by people who are in greater control than you are. Elon Musk now has BTC. Billionaires are in the market now. They are pumping and dumping assets. And do you want coins to be dumped on you? Do you want to be a bag holder? When I'm teaching you, I spend nights, I spend hours recording teachings for you. And you all are making mistakes. It breaks my heart. I don't want to see you all lose. At least have meaningful wins and less losses. Control your big losses. Minimal losses is inevitable. You will lose. I always say this. The difference between me and you is that I do not lose more than 3% my total size in a trade. But I see lots of you blowing off 20% and 50%. I get crazily disappointed in you. The money might not affect you, but someone else needs that money. Someone else wants to stand with that money. Someone else would be able to use that money to become useful. You don't want to learn, you want to make money. Are you okay? I am not happy because I want you all to learn. I love you all. I'm not screaming. I love you. I want you to get this. I have been with men that are manipulating the market. I know what they do. They prey on you little ones. You are the little fish. They are the whales. They are coming to collect your money. What is a whale? When a whale opens its mouth to drink water, what happens? Fishes goes inside too. So do you want to be the fish? Even if you're a fish, you need to play safe. You need to play on. Play beside the whale. Don't go and play in the mouth of the whale. Don't go and put your head in the mouth of whales. They would swallow your finance and you would go broke and you would not have anybody to borrow from. And you will be crying and frustration. You might end up committing suicide. It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart. So you have to know this analysis. You check this first. If this is a squeeze, 1. You check this number 2. If the EMA is in a straight line, this is number 2. You draw your support and resistance after you've counted 10 to 20 candles, 20 and above candles down this place. Then you will draw your support and resistance. Thirdly, now a little bit above. Fourth, a little bit below. You watch the market. Once it gets to this price, boom, you are in profit. Before it gets here, even if you lose nothing. 1% move, you are off the trade. 2%, you're off the trade. That is what I want you all to do. This is the greatest analogy or analysis or whatever strategy, whatever any person can give you that will help you make more and lose less. You cannot just jump into trade. Oh, this is an unhealthy market. Wait for something like this. Wait for a squeeze, then try to count at least 20. That's why I said count at least 20. So the market would have given you another shape. Now like this now, the overall market is just silly. It's just crazy, which means if it breaks above the resistance, higher, below this down, easy. Easy. Get the money, invest, buy coins. Watch that coin grow. Use the money. Enter trade with confidence because you have the confidence that if this is to go below there, your stop loss get triggered and you lose just a little. You're using 1 million to trade and you lose 10,000 naira in a trade is nothing because in one trade you can make 20 or 30,000 in one trade. But why will you? Don't use leverage if you have large size. Do not use leverage. They would not teach you this. They would not tell you this. I don't even tell this. But I want you all to know this. Because together we can win this money and make this money and get to the top and also become a whale. Whales do not use leverage to trade. Anybody today that is successful in trading forex, crypto, whatsoever, is trading with a very large size. If that person is using leverage, that person will be blowing off accounts. So you need capital to trade. You need finance to trade. You need money to trade. If you do not have capital, or if 1% of your whatever size cannot serve you for the day, then you invest. Because 1% of 100,000 is 1,000 naira. That might not be good for you for the day. Then you invest and start with like 1 million or 2 million. Trading like this, you will not be blowing off money. You would not be losing money. You would be enjoying the market. Even if you can take 3 trades a day or 1 a day, your 1%, 2% is okay for you. Why? It's because you're using large size to trade. And the charges to go into trade and out of trade is not significant that it will eat over 1% of your entire size. Highest the charges can be on any platform, highest is 0.5%. Do you understand me? Leverage gives you higher charges. So watch this video again. Go back from the beginning. Go back from the part 1. Watch and watch and watch. And follow my direction. Write it down in a book and paper. And have it pasted somewhere in your room where your eyes can see. Mr. Cloud Oleka on this day, the 1st of April 2021, said that we should take these steps before we invest in any assets. Before we buy any coin that they say bullshit. Crazy people everywhere. Mad people on the Binance group just posting lots of crazy things. I'm not insulting them. I'm telling you the analysis are giving. They want you to go and buy, because when you buy and the candle is to close at that price, and that is the price you bought at, you've closed the candle. That means it's closing in green. This one that closed in red shows that somebody closed at this price. Yes, somebody closed at this price. Somebody closed here. Another people were selling off and somewhere here. Very easy to know. I love you all. I remain your very own Mr. Cloud Oleka. Subscribe, like, share my videos. That's the best you can do. If you are benefiting from me, if you are getting knowledge from me, share my videos. Share it. I want you all to share my videos. Like it, comment, appreciate me. Call me, send me things. Show appreciation. Win, succeed. And be happy with yourself. I will never mislead you. I have informations that top 5 traders in the world don't even know about trading. I have it. Secrets, I have it. I'm not boasting, I'm not making noise. Go anywhere, analyze my analysis, and let them tell you that Mr. Cloud taught you bullshit. Let them tell you that Mr. Cloud don't know what he's teaching. I can stand anywhere in the world, even in the presence of Richard Dennis or anybody, and defend whatever I'm teaching, because I didn't just jump and start trading. It took years of practice, training, analysis to get to this level. I love you all and I want to see you all win. God bless you all. I'm a Chelsea fan. If you're a Man United fan, don't be jealous. Man City fan, don't be jealous. I love my Chelsea. Have a great day. I remain Mr. Cloud Oleka. Thank you all.